Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video and talk about these pads that I got for my Shark Steam Mop on Amazon. I got the 12 pack and I absolutely love them. I've been using them for a while now, I think 2, maybe 3 months. And yeah, love it. I have marble floors, and usually marble floors are very hard to clean and they're delicate. So you have to be careful to not scratch them. And these are perfect. They remove all the dirt. My floors are always very clean after using the Shark, the steam mop with these. And they also don't scratch my floor. So you can use these on any hard floor like a ceramic, wood floor, marble floors. These are heavy duty. Like I said, I've been using them for a while now and they look pretty new. Usually what I do, I try to use all of them at once, and once all of them are dirty, I just throw them in the washer, wash it, dry, and they're ready to go again. So very, very easy to use. So as you can see, it has different materials. So this is one type of material. This is like, I don't know, like a towel material, just like this one that goes all the way around, and I feel like that's what makes these so good to clean the floors. And this is the back right here. You can kind of see the thickness of it. Yeah, like I said, these are great, love them. And to put them on your steam mop, the Shark Steam Mop is also very, very easy. I just throw them on the ground like this, and then let me see, I just do that. And let me see if I am in the camera right here, and then you just do that and it's ready to go. I just step a little bit to make sure they are in place and it's ready to go.